Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd do a little vlog. We're gonna be cleaning, organizing, and just hanging out. This guy knows how to crawl now, so my life just got 10 times harder. I'm gonna try to get things done. I've already fed him a little bit of breakfast, gave myself a big breakfast, some coffee. We're gonna do a bunch of laundry, clean the kitchen. I think you're ready for a nap. Yeah? And yeah, I thought I'd take you along with me. So here we go. Okay, look at my little Christmas area. I gotta clean that, and my lights all fell out, so I'm gonna have to do that again. And what are you doing? What are you doing? So if you want to get everywhere, or you just want to come to me. All right, it is 10:34. Let's get the lights done. So Jackson is finally down. I'm going to do a set of laundry, then I have something else in the dryer, and I have something else in the washing machine. So 3 loads of laundry today. Oh my gosh. But I'm trying to get Jackson, I guess, to sleep train or learn how to sleep on his own. We did it for the first time last night, and it was funny because I kept saying it for the last couple months, and now I'm like, okay, he needs to learn how to go to bed by himself. So last night was kind of tough. He went to bed or went down at around 10 or almost 10, cried a lot, and finally I think I had to feed him because he was getting hungry, I think, and he fell asleep. I don't think that's the correct way of doing it, but it did get him down till about 2 a.m. So sleep training is a bitch, but we'll get there. Look at this cute outfit. What a nice color. Kind of looks a little feminine on you on the shoulder. Okay. A little bit better. Why does it look like you have shoulder pads on? Can you say hi? Did you have a good nap? Hey? Jackson is in his spaceship. Hi, isn't this so funny? Oh my god, it's like a pod. All right, but we need to get out. It's not that bad. Like, it's okay for me to get wet. What are we gonna do? Go up to London Drugs, look around Winners, just kind of get outside. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we are back from our walk. Jackson nursed, fell asleep. Oh, look at this hair. And then he woke up and I tried to put him in the crib. So I'm just gonna leave him there for a bit and put away our stroller. So in our apartment, it's super like weird, or I never have a good place to put our stroller. Our closet is just filled with our shoes, our vacuum, our clothes and stuff. Our bathroom, our guest bathroom, our second bathroom is used like a mud room, and I have no room to put the stroller there. So I always just put the stroller in or underneath the dining table, or kind of in like the dining play area. And because I interchange between the stroller and then putting the car seat on it, I have like two pieces. So I'm gonna quickly put that away and then show you what I got, because I did do a little bit of shopping. What's this guy doing? He's just laying there. All right, no problem. So what did I buy? I just got a couple things. Today is Cyber Monday, and this is the first year in like 10 years that I'm not working a Black Friday, and it's kind of weird, and I really do like it. So it's mail. So I got this Make My Day bib. I have this one here. It's so soft. Like, it's the most softest, most flexible bib I've ever had, or have felt ever had. It's not for me, but I did get it when I was pregnant, and my friend got me like the girly version with the pearl necklace. So I still use it at home because it's so good, but I do laugh because he ain't a girl. So I got this from London Drugs. It was on sale. I think they're about $20, and this one was $14. It's penguin, so unisex, so in the future I can still use it. What else did I get? Oh, and then I got Jackson's cereal. This is the one that he's been using now, and then this is my second time buying it. I did buy another kind, but I feel like I should just stick with the same one. He likes it, he knows it, it's yummy, and I like it because I can mix breast milk or formula milk with it. I got a pair of gloves from the dollar store because my hands are freezing when I go for walks. Okay, we are back. This guy needed, a diaper change. And then we went to Carter's because they had a sale. So, this one's so cute. It's like a one piece. I'm pretty fly for a little guy. It's a bit long, it's 9 months, but he's growing like every second, so this will work. And then just some white long sleeves. Let's go to the bag. White long sleeves. Again, these are size 9 because size 6s make him look like a sausage. Hey? So these, I feel everything from Carter's shrinks a little bit in the wash. So I always go the next size up, which in this case is 9 months. So we're going to try to put things away. I'm gonna play with you a little bit, and then we'll prepare dinner because it's already like almost 3. Where did the day go? Jackson is going to have some lunch. Ooh, yeah. So for the last 2 weeks, he's been having just homemade yam or sweet potato puree. And on Instagram, I won from a local company called Born Baby Food, I think. I won 14 different types of baby food purees, which is amazing. And Each of the containers was about 150 mil, so that's like 5 or 4 ounces. And Jackson right now is only eating about an ounce of food or lunch. That's kind of what I'm thinking is how much he can eat. He never really looks for more when I finish. So today we are trying beets, blueberries, and with a little bit of thyme. And so I kind of defrosted them a little bit and then separated them into these little, I think they go up to 2 ounces or 60 ml. Yeah, 2 ounces. And so I split that all up so it's easy to feed Jackson. Not bad, but note to self, when you eat stainy food, maybe you should be naked. Hopefully that doesn't super stain. And I mean, his face and things were purple, but he did not a bad job. Maybe half, but it was just kind of getting too messy for my liking. All right, let's clean up here. Guys, I didn't do an outro, but as you can see, we have some people napping and I'm preparing some leftovers for dinner. So yeah, that's the end of my vlog. Subscribe, check out my other videos, and I will see you guys next time.